It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Tuesday, the 2nd of November. I'm James Spann. Most of Alabama dry today. Chance of a little scattered light rain tomorrow night or Thursday. After that, we're dry for the end of the week and the weekend, and colder air drops in along the way. Here's the upper air look early this morning across the country. It's a zonal flow. We've had a cold front pass through over the past 12 hours, that cold front down in South Alabama. We actually have a few illegal rain showers early this morning north of the front. The great J.B. Elliott coined that term. Whenever you have rain showers, they're not in the forecast. And we didn't expect to see any rain today. That probably won't last long, but some of you in North Alabama could see a few sprinkles this morning. Temperatures are in the 40s to start the day in most locations. We're expecting highs in the low 60s. A bit cooler than yesterday in the wake of the front that passed through. There's the watch warning map across the country this morning. A lot of freeze warnings in effect for areas north of the state. And again, we get progressively colder for the next 5 days. And obviously, with much of the country in cold air, we have no severe weather problems anytime soon. This is the severe weather outlook for today, tomorrow, and Thursday. No severe weather problems for a while. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Again, the heaviest rain for the upper half of the Pacific coast, and just not much here. Amounts a tenth of an inch or less over the next 7 days. And off in the tropics, things awfully quiet. We have that one little feature that's moving into Central America and the Southwest Caribbean that will not develop. And we've got Wanda, the tropical storm in the middle of nowhere that stays in the middle of nowhere and dissipates by the time the weekend gets here. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 4, troughing to the north. And again, we should be dry this afternoon. Those little illegal showers this morning won't last long. We'll call it partly sunny with highs between 60 and 64 today. Tomorrow, the sky becomes cloudy. Weather turns colder. We'll have a hard time reaching the low 50s tomorrow with a pretty good little north breeze. And again, there could be some patchy light rain that develops during the afternoon for the northern half of the state. And then Thursday, the GFS looking pretty dry, the European showing the chance of a little light rain. So the bottom line is we'll mention some scattered light rain as a possibility tomorrow night and Thursday, but not much. And again, noticeably colder, the high tomorrow and Thursday, both days only in the low 50s, well below average for early November. Friday, we'll forecast a clearing sky, again highs in the mid to upper 50s. And Saturday, as the weekend begins, should be a bright sunny day with highs in the low 50s. We'll start the day around 40. Evidence we might see a few lingering clouds that might keep frost away. And this is Sunday. That's a day where I think there's a better chance of some frost. Again, the colder pockets go in the 30s, other spots low 40s. The day Sunday should be sunny with a high in the upper 60s. Monday, we're still rain-free, and this is a week from today, Tuesday, the 9th of November. Ridging beginning to build, and once again, we're dry. We'll go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, November 11th. Ridge on the Atlantic coast, upper low well to the north, and a cold front approaching. That might bring a few showers out there toward the end of next week, but probably nothing too heavy. Bottom line is we don't see any severe weather threats here for the next 10 days, but we are now in the tornado season. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 1 and 2 inches between now and the 16th of the month. Temperatures 60s today, then highs in the 50s tomorrow, Thursday, Friday. And then next week we rebound with highs mostly in the 60s and lows mostly in the 40s. And the latest CPC outlook in the house, this is for November 9th through the 15th. Temperatures around here very close to average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.